friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the Wi-Fi speed test comparison and the Wi-Fi signal strength comparison as well between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Realme X2 Pro device, as you can clearly see, friends. So right now we'll be testing the Wi-Fi speed test between both of the smartphones. So let's see which phone has a better Wi-Fi connection, and I'll try to compare the Wi-Fi features as well. What are the additional functionality and additional options you got in the both the smartphones if you compare to the last year model to the recently launched model in the Realme X7 Pro. So it is a Realme X7 Pro model which has the Dimensity 1000 plus processor, as you can clearly see, and it is a Realme X2 Pro as well, so which has a same kind of 8 GB RAM. So let's see, friends. Right now let me try to open quickly the Wi-Fi settings, and in case if you want to download this kind of live wallpaper, try to check the links in description. You can find this kind of amazing links in the below, so you can check the links in description as well. So right now there is a Wi-Fi all interface. This is how it looks, and in both phones they look kind of very similar, and they do have same kind of features, so everything is same, so there is nothing much difference happening here. So both are having the same kind of option, so nothing much special at the moment. So even if you see the Wi-Fi signal strength, one thing I did notice is that in the Realme X2 Pro, always the Wi-Fi signal strength is very strong. The same Wi-Fi network, as you can see, friends. So in the Realme X2 Pro, always from the beginning to till now, this is what I like. The Wi-Fi signal strength is really high, as you can see. So where is the same Wi-Fi network are connected, but the signal strength is only 3 bars and 4 bars in this Realme X2 Pro. So this doesn't make a much difference, but definitely if you are using long distance from the Wi-Fi router, then definitely it will make sense in the Realme X2 Pro. I'm not sure why, but this is sometimes the Realme X7 Pro also will increase, but mostly this X2 Pro will remain at maximum signal strength throughout the time. It won't decrease and increase every time. And as I said, there is also option of the dual Wi-Fi connection features, so which is also same thing is present in both the smartphones, where you can connect the two different Wi-Fi networks and access the internet speed at same time. So now let me try to open the speed test application. So it is a speed test application, and now let me try to first do on the Realme X7 Pro the speed test results. So this is a Realme X7 Pro which I am trying right now, the speed test. So this is a Wi-Fi signal speed test, and my Wi-Fi connection is about 55 Mbps of internet speed. So right now it was able to achieve that kind of speed, 55 Mbps, as you can see, 54.9, and upload speed you can see here 20 Mbps, close to 20, and now it's staying close to 19. So this is the upload and download speed, and now let me try to try in the Realme X2 Pro. As you can see, this is a Realme X2 Pro device. So you can see in the Realme X2 Pro how much the signals are: 54, 55, 55.3, 55.4. As you can see, friends, the difference in both the smartphones. So there is a very little amount of difference, but that's not huge. But this is something to be considered, as you can see. So there is a little bit difference. So this is a quick Wi-Fi speed test comparison between both the smartphones, and both phones, they are really good at this kind of things, and there is no issues at all. And let me tell you, there's also Wi-Fi tethering option, which is also present in same both phones. Wi-Fi tethering which is also there, so that's a really good thing. So where you can use the Wi-Fi as a personal hotspot, so that's another advantage here. So that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between both the smartphones, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. And finally, one more thing I thought of testing is that if I select the speed test at same time in both phones, so let's see which phone will detect actually the speeds. So let me try to do at same time, and they both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let's see, friends, which phone will actually pull the Wi-Fi signal strength more at the same time. So 27, 33. So as soon as the Realme X7 Pro stopped, the X2 Pro did pick up the Wi-Fi connection very faster. So you can observe the upload speeds as well, how much it is, 13 and 11. So this is just a same time test I'm trying to do. So that's it, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, Bye.